Hi everyone, I'm Rudy Winston from Canon USA, and I'm here to introduce you to a totally new concept in flash photography. It's the Canon Speedlite 470EX AI, and it's the world's first automatic bounce flash system. AI Bounce can automate what for many was a daunting trial and error process of figuring out what angle to set the flash head to for effective bounce flash lighting. This Speedlite has the potential to transform your flash photography. I'll introduce you to this new Speedlite in this video. We'll have two additional videos. In one, we'll go in depth into the full auto bounce, which is great if you're new to bounce flash photography. And another video where we'll talk about its semi-auto bounce, which targets experienced shooters. Bounce flash is simply aiming a Speedlite at a nearby wall or ceiling so that much softer light will bounce onto your subject. Bounce flash gives your pictures a totally different, natural look, with soft lighting that sometimes can appear as though no flash was used at all. Professionals and serious enthusiasts have used bounce flash for natural-looking indoor pictures for decades. The Speedlite 470EX AI can certainly be used for conventional direct flash shooting with ETTL automatic flash exposure. But it gives three different bounce flash options, all controlled by a single sliding switch. Full auto bounce. If you're new to bounce flash photography, this setting is for you. Slide the switch to the F setting, and with a compatible camera, press the measurement button on the back of the flash. Two pre-flashes are fired to measure distances to your subject and the ceiling and calculate the bounce angle. The motorized head then tilts and swivels to automatically provide the proper angle for natural-looking bounce flash pictures. Semi-auto bounce. This setting is for the more experienced photographer. Set the switch to the S setting and then tilt the flash head to what you think is the best bounce angle. Now, press the Angle Set button. Your angle is memorized by the 470EX AI, and you can begin shooting. If you change composition from horizontal to vertical, just tap the shutter button twice. The flash automatically repositions itself to maintain the same bounce angle you previously set. For the third option, at the 0-degree position, your flash is aimed directly at your subject for maximum distance or in situations where there is no nearby surface for effective bounce. You can perform completely manual, traditional bounce flash shooting at this position by activating a personal function on the flash's LCD panel. Let's take a quick walkthrough of the Speedlite 470EX AI. The motorized flash head tilts and swivels over a broad range, but you can move it manually at any time. There's no release button you need to press first. The bounce mode switch defines whether full auto or semi-auto bounce will be active. Just slide it to the F or S positions to activate either setting. The AI bounce measurement button begins the process of two test flashes for full auto bounce. It lights steadily in blue once bounce is calculated and set, and will blink slowly if there's an error. And the Bounce Angle Set button on the side of the Speedlite is pressed to memorize a bounce setting that you've manually moved the flash head to. This new Speedlite has power very similar to our existing 430 series flashes, and you can use it as an off-camera receiver unit for traditional optical wireless ETTL flash. We've just scratched the surface. We have two more episodes where we'll dive into the Speedlite 470EX AI's automatic and semi-auto bounce capabilities. See you there.